Welcome to RestoCycle. In about 3 or 4 weeks, maybe a little more, depending on how it all shakes out, this is going to be somebody's pride and joy. This is a 79 CBX that we started out, we were going to refinish the valve cover for its former owner. And he was like, I have my hands full with other great projects. And so, do you want to buy the bike? Yeah, I said I definitely want to buy the bike. This has 2,600 miles on it. Probably one of the lowest mile original CBXs we've ever laid our hands on. It has very minor evidence of patina. It's appropriate for something that's 40 years old. But it's kind of the things that you really can't fake in terms of its condition show it to be a really low mile bike. This is just a really nice motorcycle. So it needs some service, of course. The brakes and a teeny bit of refinishing in some very selective spots, and we're going to go over all the electrics, make them perfect, and the advancer and the ignition and the timing. The carburetors are being fitted with new float valves and needles and gone through to make sure they're perfect. And then it'll be someone else's motorcycle. So that's your sneak peek. We're busy working on it. Probably have another, I don't know, week, 2 weeks. Yeah, anyway, we'll keep you posted. This is going to be a fun one.